Hey guys, welcome to Happy Trailers in Greenville, Texas. Come on inside with me. I'll give you a quick tour of our office and the shop, and I'll show you what to expect when you come to see us. As you walk in, you'll always be greeted by a smiling face. Our sales staff is always going to be ready to help you out. And of course, we'll do the same thing over the phone if you need to call us. We make sure to make it extremely easy to buy a trailer. It's as simple as just getting a little bit of information from you to get things started. We need to know what you're hauling and what you're planning on using, and then we'll pair that with our expertise to get you into the trailer that's going to work best for that. Come on out to the shop with me. This is where our service and repair happens, and it's also where our trailers get assembled. This is where all the fun happens. We've got our brake assemblies and bearings and bigger parts, our springs and hubs, all the things for the bigger jobs all happen right here. We've got plenty of couplers and hitches for our goosenecks, tires and toolboxes, all other types of accessories for trailers. And this is where the fun begins. We keep a large variety of trailers in stock, ready to go for you to make sure that we have anything that's gonna fit what you are doing. As you can see behind me, I've got a few Diamond C loads that are ready to go to work right now. Anywhere from tilt trailers to dump trailers to flatbeds, we'll make sure to have what you need. After you've picked out a trailer, we'll pull it in the shop and have an extensive walkthrough with you as we hook it up to make sure that you know how to use all the features and that the trailer is fully ready to hit the road and go to work for you. We hope to see you here soon. Thanks for stopping by.